How to stay positive every day. Listening practice for beginners. Welcome to Vivid Kids English. Do you want to feel happy and stay positive every day? Today, we will learn how to stay positive with simple, fun tips. This video will also help you practice your listening skills and learn new words. So, listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to answer my questions. Are you ready? Let's begin. Being positive means looking at the bright side of life. If it's raining, a positive person says, "The plants will grow." If they make a mistake, they say, "I will try again." Positive thinking helps us feel happy and strong. Repeat after me. I choose to be positive. I can do my best. I will stay happy. What is something positive that happened today? Comment below. 5 powerful ways to stay positive. Start your day with gratitude. Every morning, before you get out of bed, take a deep breath and think about one thing you are grateful for. Maybe it's your family, your favorite food, or a friend. Gratitude makes your heart feel warm and happy. What are you grateful for today? Write it in the comments. Use positive words and affirmations. The words we say can change how we feel. Saying positive words helps our mind stay happy. Instead of saying, "I can't do it," say, "I will try my best." Positive words are powerful. If you say, "I am strong," you will feel stronger. If you say, "I can do it," your brain believes you. Use words that make you feel happy and confident. Repeat after me. I can do this. I am strong and happy. Every day is a good day. Can you make your own positive sentence? Share it in the comments. Smile and be kind. A simple smile can make you and others feel happy. Being kind to others also brings happiness. When you smile at someone, they smile back. Smiling can make you feel happier, even on a bad day. When you help a friend or say kind words, it makes the world better. Kindness and positivity go together. What is one kind thing you did today? Tell us in the comments. Take deep breaths and relax. When you feel sad or stressed, take deep breaths. Breathing slowly helps calm your mind. Close your eyes, breathe in slowly, and breathe out. Do this 3 times. How do you feel? Deep breathing helps you stay calm and positive. Try it whenever you feel stressed. Do what you love. Doing things you enjoy helps you feel positive. Play a sport, read a book, or listen to music. When you do what you love, you feel happy. Maybe you like drawing, dancing, or playing games. Spend time doing what makes you smile. Your happiness matters. What is your favorite activity? Comment below. Now, let's listen to a short story about a boy named Ivan and how he stays positive every day. Listen carefully. Every morning, Ivan wakes up with a big smile. He says, "Today is a good day." He feels thankful for his family and for the home he lives in. Before getting out of bed, he takes a deep breath and thinks, "I am strong and I can do anything." When Ivan steps outside, he enjoys the fresh air and the sound of birds singing. "Nature makes me happy," he thinks. Even if something small goes wrong, like losing his keys or spilling water, Ivan stays calm. He tells himself, "It's okay. I can fix this." He believes that no problem is too big to solve. At the end of the day, Ivan relaxes by doing things he loves, like walking in the park or listening to music. He feels proud of his positive attitude and the way he handles each day. Ivan knows that being positive helps him enjoy life, no matter what happens. Ivan had a positive and happy day. You can too. Now let's check your listening skills. Listen and choose the correct answer. Which habit helps you feel calm? A. Smiling. B. Deep breathing. C. Eating candy. Answer. B. Deep breathing helps you feel calm. What should you say instead of "I can't do it"? A. I will try my best. B. This is too hard. C. I give up. Answer. A. I will try my best. Positive words help us stay strong. What makes you feel happy? A. Watching TV all day. B. Thinking of good things. C. Complaining about problems. Answer. B. Thinking of good things makes you happy. How many answers did you get right? Comment below. Now you know how to stay positive every day. Which tip is your favorite? Comment below. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vivid Kids English. See you in the next video. Stay happy and keep learning. Bye for now.